So this episode we're going to be replacing the old shift boot from the 3K GT because I don't think it's ever been replaced. So here we go. Replacing the shift boot is probably the easiest thing you could do for the 3K GT. All you have to do is buy the shift boot, and I think I purchased mine from eBay. This is a leather shift boot. Wasn't really expensive. You could just look it up, 3000 GT shift boot, leather shift boot, and you're gonna see a bunch of them on eBay or Amazon, and just kind of take your pick which one you want to get. So I just kind of got one that is not super expensive, but here's the old one. It's really torn up. So, and here's the new one that I purchased. So all I have to do now is put the plastic parts from the old shift boot right here, take it out and put it onto the new leather shift boot. So here's what I was doing. I just took out the shift boot and taking out the plastic. It's not really, it doesn't really have anything on there. It doesn't have like a glue or anything. I think it's just a matter of removing it from the bottom, and it's not really tricky. Like right here, you just have to kind of turn it around, the leather shift boot, just turn it around so that you can line up the plastic, and you try to check out the old shift boot to see how the plastic piece was installed from there. And that's what I was trying to do, because I really don't do this. I don't really replace shift boots because most of my cars are brand new, so I don't really have to worry about like worn out parts like this, you know. So this is really because the car is very old, the 3000 GT, right? So that's why I had to replace this piece, which I don't think was ever replaced in the past. So anyway, so that's what I had to do, just kind of check it out from the old one. And right here, just turn it upside down, the leather shift boot, and then install that plastic piece, which is, yeah, what holds it, you know, that clips right onto the center console, or the middle piece of the 3000 GT. So right there, it's pretty stable. I don't have to glue it or anything, just install it, as you can see. And that's pretty much it as far as that plastic piece is concerned. Now there was another piece. It's like a plastic, like a ring that goes right there on the hole. And what I did was I just used a zip tie to kind of hold it in place. It's like a ring which has a groove. So that's all you have to do is get a zip tie to kind of tighten that up, and so it holds the ring right there on the hole. If all you do is tighten it with the zip tie, because there's like a groove between that ring that holds it in place when you put it right there by the hole. And that's pretty much it. And you can't really see the zip tie from underneath, just have to cut it, and it's pretty, you know, right there. So when you check out the hole, you can't really tell because it's inside the leather shift boot. So everything is like hidden, you know, whether it's the excess leather from the plastic that clips onto the center console, or the hole itself. So that's pretty much all you have to do, is install that plastic piece and that ring on the hole, and you're ready to go. It looks much better than before though, because it's not all torn up like that old shift boot, which didn't even look like a shift boot, right? So here is a pretty easy way. This is probably the easiest thing you can do for the 3000 GT, is install a new shift boot, replace the old one. I think I probably might need to replace the shift knob too, because it's pretty worn out, as you can see right here. Got the shift boot working again. Until next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.